Do you want to know how to import Charles Schwab 1099 on your TurboTax? So first, you need to access your TurboTax account, and under the tax home on your TurboTax, you will see a bunch of options including your personal information, but just simply select the wages and income. After selecting it, you will see this page, which is you will be able to click the pick up where you left off button. Under your income section, you will see a bunch of options, but beside the investment and savings, you will just click the add/edit button. After you edit it, just select the button which is the yes, and kindly search using the search bar, or if you already find the Charles Schwab section, you will just click on that option. Then, after clicking, you will see two options, which is the enter a different way and get my form. Just click on the get my form button for you to able to log into your Charles Schwab account. And that's how you import Charles Schwab 1099 on your TurboTax.